Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to Amber Elsia. Today I'll be washing my son's hair. He's 4 years old and he's never had a full haircut, like down low. But he's been wearing braids. So I'm gonna show y'all our wash day routine. Today I'll be using Head and Shoulders, but I won't be using this one because he's only 4 and I don't want it, tingling too much. This might be too much. I don't want it to burn or nothing. But I do have this little one, this normal one. So I'll be using this on him. And I'm gonna show y'all our wash day routine. So stay tuned. Okay everybody, so just a disclaimer, I didn't post the whole clip of me braiding Jackson's hair because I didn't want it to seem like a tutorial, because I'm not a professional and I'm not the best braider. So you'll see in a few minutes when I post the final results what it turned out to be. Okay everybody, so if you made it to the end of this video, then I thank you so much for your support. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.